It's Yoga the Biker. Today I am going to be doing a quick video replacing the bolts. As you can see, they are rusted. I don't know what happened. My 250 did not do this, and it was outside the entire time. This bike has been outside covered, and I don't know what happened. You can see rust over here as well. Like, I don't understand. But I have some new bolts that I'm going to replace it, and then I got some new stickers that I was waiting to replace the bolts before I put the new stickers on. So, alright, let's get started. Life of TnT. Okay, I got my I hate him. I don't like him right now. He's annoying me. So I got my I have my tools, and this one yeah, but I have my tools, and I'm about to take the bolts off for here, and this is the screws I'm gonna put on. How's it going? So, so I've changed the bolts right quick. No, I know, I was saying the front. Jesus, leave me alone. Now I'm about to go and do, well, I have to tighten them up first, but. Yeah, he got a lot going on. He's just done with the first half. This isn't my video, but oh, he's gonna have to do his chain soon. Yikes. Alright, I'm out. Okay, so he's doing an excellent job over there with the other version of the Goobie gone. So here's the replacements for the fairings. You can see the rust from all the way over here. So I don't even know where to start, but you know, I'll start up here. Alright, so for this one, I don't know what's going on with this little screw. You see it's a whole little rust bucket, but I'm trying to get it out. Mr20 said for rusty nails or screws is efficient to screw them in and then screw them out, and I tried that, and it's just, you can see it's there, but I don't know why it won't come out. Okay. Success because of him. Because I couldn't get it out. We had to like push it in, and I kept doing that, but for whatever reason,
which is the washer is right here, so you had to get past the washer and get close, but it kept getting nicked on the edge of it, so it was pulling the washer while I was trying to get out. Once you put it back in here, you gotta hold the sides like that. Where your new nail at?
Right here.
Go ahead. Did you get through it?
I think so. I gotta get the other one. Right. Okay, so I have completed the screws with just a little assistance from Mr20. So I got the windshield, and I got all of the bolts replaced on the fairings. I got some stickers that I'm going to put on the front of the windshield. I don't know where he got the butterfly from, but and then I got my Fanfavorite, my Riderlifestyle, and then two of my own personal stickers that I have some things coming up in the way for this summer, so those will be I guess like little sneak peeks as far as some business ventures that's coming up. So hold on. Alright, I am all done. So I have the new spike windshield bolts, and then showing off the new stickers, upcoming brand. I got the Riderlifestyle. We got the Fanfavorite, my other part of my upcoming brand that goes in part with the House of Yogini. LLC. And then, of course, I already have the Mr20 West, the yoga and icon. And then we have the Riderlifestyle and Bike Lives Matter. That sticker was stupid hard to get off. So and then, as you can see, the new bolts are on. It's a little difficulty trying to get, like I said, this one off earlier, but fairings are all taken care of. They are all now replaced.
Change the bolt for the mirror.
Yep. Change the bolt for the mirror because this one was I couldn't replace the screws because the ones that came in the kit, the heads were much larger. So this one came from another part of the bike that I was able to replace, and this one I just had to use the WD-40 to clean off. But yeah, Bay is cosmetically up and running. So as always, thanks for tuning in. Mr20 West still have his video. Watch out for his, and until next time, love and light. We're out.